Tested for durability. Made in the USA. Made using the highest quality components. Include Plano tackle box. Duraview cover. Brass bail latches. CDS storage design. Limited lifetime warranty. Dimension, L equals 13.25 in X, W equals 10.25 in X, H equals 6.13 in. Top reviews from the United States. Great tackle box or hard case kit for a portable acupuncture travel kit. Various dividers can fit lots of different length needles in the top case along with a large bottle of isopropyl alcohol, hand sanitizer and swabs, while the bottom can hold clean fields, biohazard sharps container, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, thermometer and gloves. Great for clean needle technique classes since it is separate locks so equipment will not fall out when you open up the bottom part. Both sections latch independently. Folds open like a book instead of a pull-up and out tackle box. Great value, sturdy product.